Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're in Denbigh racetrack to be exact. This is a bridge that is still under construction. It was washed away 2 years ago by flood waters, and 2 years later it's still under construction here. They've finally blocked off the water so they can do the foundation. But this is 2 years later after this bridge was washed away. So that's the road up there. Persons have to drive around, which takes like an extra 20 minutes, 15 minutes, because there's an alternative road, upstream. So yeah, so this is racetrack. This is the racetrack main road. They're reconstructing this bridge as we see here. So again, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comments, like the video as well. So right here is the original roadway that you'd have drive on and come across the bridge. No more bridge. You have led over to that side. Alright, so this is where they had to rerun the water pipes because those got washed away as well. So that's the first thing they did. They rerun the water pipes to restore water to the community. So this is where persons would walk. If it's a case they're not driving. So I guess based on the construction, they allow water to run in those two channels under the bridge. Yeah, so this is the racetrack community reconstruction of their bridge. What they did here is to block off the water from the gully so that they can work on the bridge. So this would have been a gully that's flowing. Alright guys, this is where I end the video. So remember to share your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe.